Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's your girl Lenny Lynn right here, and I'm back with a new video. This time around I am going to be letting y'all know what has been going on with my pregnancy. I know I have not been doing any prior updates since I did my gender reveal video, which will be linked up here. So if you have not watched any of my pregnancy videos, I will have them linked in the description box below as well. And I want y'all to understand that y'all, my pregnancy has really been life-changing. So first things first, I have really been experiencing and getting over the symptoms of a very bad cold. As to why I have not been uploading any videos for the past 2 weeks, and I don't know if it comes from the fact that I am a bank teller currently and I deal with a lot of money. And if you know money, you know money has a lot of stories, a lot of germs, a lot of filth, all kind of stuff that drugs, everything touches money, it sticks to it and it stays. So I don't know if the fact that I have been dealing with so much money and not really being able to wash my hands the way that I've been wanting to at work, you know, is the reason why I probably caught a really bad cold, or something else that was probably going on and I probably caught a cold from someone else. I don't know, but it's just been really crazy with my cold, and it was to where I had severe nasal congestion, like crazy nasal congestion, couldn't taste nothing, couldn't smell nothing, and I had a runny nose. I kept sneezing, and every time I would sneeze, a little bit of urine would come out on my panty liner. And ladies, if you're pregnant, you know how it is. You sneeze, yes, everything is just, it's so sensitive, it just lets go. So I was going through that for the past 2 weeks, and I'm currently still getting over a cold, so that's why I might sound a little bit like ringy. My voice might sound a little ringy because my nose is still a little congested. But so far I'm happy I'm getting over those symptoms. Now the next thing I want y'all to know is that baby boy is now the size of a large cucumber, which is phenomenal. And y'all, I'm just like, whoa, he is growing so big right now, and he is kicking, and it's just such an amazing experience. And I love poking my belly to feel him kick back whenever I do it, because it just makes me ticklish. I don't know, it just makes me weak, and I laugh all the time. And let me tell y'all what else I have been going through. Okay, I've been having a lot of swelling in my feet, and I have let my doctors know what's been going on, and it was like, well, it's completely normal, but the type of swelling I've been having, I have to go on a very, very low salt diet, and I really have to watch anything that I eat, and that means cutting out a lot of fast foods and just sticking to what I know. If I don't know what's in it, I don't need to be eating it. So that is what I have been going through so far with the swelling. So low salt diet all the way. My swelling has been crazy bad, so we're trying to minimize that swelling as much as possible. My doctors also think that it has been a lot of fluid retention because of my salt intake, which I'm not about to sit up here and lie. It has been high because I have been craving like the McDonald's fries and stuff, like, you know, salty sweet type stuff that I shouldn't even be putting in my body, but I'm still, you know, I still was indulging on it. So yes, no more of the bad stuff for now. Now, the week before July 4th, I was going through a lot of crazy symptoms with my hair. When I tell y'all, it was just like, whoa, what's going on, Lynn? I actually had hair falling out the back of my head whenever I went to detangle. Now, I'm not sure if some of the shed hair was just to be shedded, but if you are someone who loves to watch my hair videos and learn anything that I'm doing with my hair and how it's been benefiting my natural hair journey, y'all know I love to shampoo, condition, deep condition my hair. And this time around, y'all, the hair that came out was just like a whole half a curl, like legitly half curls falling out. And for me to be someone who normally shampoos, deep condition my hair on a weekly basis, for me to see hair like that, it was kind of shocking and very scary. And I actually started to cut my hair. Like, I was really going into a frenzy because I'm just like, whoa, what's going on? and I started cutting my hair. And I'm just gonna keep it honest with y'all and 100% real. Like, I was just going through so much like mental trauma. Like, I was just being so hard on myself and just feeling so down and depressed at the time, you know, the week before July 4th, that I just started, you know, yank, well, chop, 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 chop. I just started going for it. And a lot of people are like, whoa, Lynn, I'm so happy you didn't cut it all off. But I really was at the time considering going to get my hair cut. Probably if I wasn't gonna go get it cut, I was gonna go get a Diva cut, which I'm probably still gonna go do, even though I don't use Diva Curl products. But the way my hair has been reacting to a lot of different things, well, not different things, things that I normally use, because I have not been trying any new products lately, y'all, I'm just like, whoa, I don't know what's going on with the curls. I don't know if I'm going to have a lot of shed hair, but I have been taking my prenatal vitamins faithfully, and you know, the stuff that's been going on with my hair really has been kind of scary. But God knows I'm still gonna be me at the end of the day. Hair doesn't make me, it doesn't break me. And people are like, well, I don't see the issue, Lynn. Yeah, I still have my edges, I still have my kitchen in the back, your nape, whatever you want to call it. And now I have found the solution to everything. I went back to using hair pomades / grease and water on my hair, and it has really made a drastic difference with my hair shedding and everything that my hair was experiencing prior to me going on the chopping spree in my hair. So I also been having a very funny metallic taste in my mouth. Now the taste has really stirred my taste buds to the left, and everything that I taste, especially like smart waters, they taste just like tap water to me, and it's really been annoying me. They say it's like eat a warhead, eat some kind of sour Skittles, sour candy. That hasn't helped at all. The best remedy I have found is just like scrubbing my tongue with my toothbrush and making sure that I have like some chewing gum here and there. But other than that, the metallic taste is here, and it really has affected my palate when it comes down to tasting and just enjoying foods in general and good drinks. So a lot of folks also have been asking me, how has my weight been going on, like my weight journey. And Lord, I can't say it's a weight loss journey, because I have successfully gained 28 pounds. I was 164 pounds, and I am now 192 pounds. So my doctors are very concerned with why I'm gaining so much weight in such a short amount of time. But I mean, my blood pressure has been regulated, and even though I'm really short of breath, as y'all can tell throughout this video, everything has really been good for me, and I'm going to lose this weight that I am gaining. I have the feeling that I probably will be at least 220 by the time I am going to deliver my son, and I'm fine with that, because I mean, at the end of the day, I know what I'm capable of doing. I know I'm capable of losing the weight. I know I'm capable of trying to maintain a healthy weight, and I know that everything is going to be okay. So far, I mean, 28 pounds don't look too bad on you, girl. It's mainly in my thighs, it's mainly in my stomach, of course, and my butt. So thighs, stomach, butt, that's all my weight go to. I also wanted to show y'all the baby bump, so let's go. All right, so here is the baby bump. If y'all want to check out anything else, like my baby registry. All of that's going to be in the description box below. I appreciate all the love and the support y'all give me over the days, the weeks, the hours, the years. I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me so much. And I'm signing on out of this thing. Remember to keep God first in your life and in everything that you do, and the results will always follow. I'm out of here, y'all. Bye. And whenever you have that free time on your hands, check out my website, shefoundstrength.com, for my dear baby letters. I hope you all enjoy. Bye.